If you're like me, you want your house to smell good all the time, and especially if you've had an unfortunate pet, food, or trash issue sneak up. Today, I'm sharing 3 instant ways to fix it now. Be sure to hang around for instant option number 3 because it's my favorite, and you're welcome. Hey, how are ya? Quick experiment. Walk outside, count to 15, step back inside your door, take a deep breath. What do you smell? Okay, I thought so. Now here's how to fix it. Hack number 1, baking soda is king. Growing up, we always had an open baking soda box in our fridge. I do the same, but why not put it around the house in different rooms and put it in a cute little container? Sprinkle on the carpet and rugs to freshen them up, and in the sinks to absorb pipe odors. Hack number 2, don't throw away certain leftovers. If you have used coffee, lemons, limes, oranges, cinnamon sticks, or something similar, turn the crock pot on high, put 1/4 cup of water and your items in for instant cozy freshness throughout the house. And hack number 3, my favorite way to get cozy smells, meet my little high quality wax bars and warmers. I thought I'd share a quick unboxing of my order because I'm obsessed because of the quality and how they don't give me allergy symptoms like candles now do. No, this isn't sponsored and I don't sell these, but my girl does. Here on the channel, this is part of the Calm Country Cottage Home playlist. I hope you enjoyed this, and for more country style living, home and garden inspiration, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. Love y'all. Thanks for being here.